Hi everyone, I've got 2 pieces of 22-inch round copper wire. I decided I was going to wrap this pendant. Got a little tarnish on my hands because I was working with trying to polish it anyway before I worked with it. So I've got my polishing cloth out. I think it's got either ceram oxide or something in it. Not sure what it is. From tip to tip, that's like 28, almost 29 inches, or that's 29 millimeters, and about 19 that way. And it's a piece of polychromic jasper that I got. And I've got 2 pieces of, I think 20 gauge, 22-inch wire. So I'm going to take one and find the middle. I did one earlier. I have a feeling that trying to get a couple made up that way I don't have to hurt my arm, so I'm wearing a brace on it. I threw this sweater on, but yeah, I'm wearing a brace on it, so hopefully I don't have to get a shot in it. We'll see. Yeah, that one, I think I was out of shot for the whole thing, or most of it. I hope I wasn't, but I might have been. So, I'm going to try my best. Move the camera up a little bit. Can't see good whenever I move the camera up, but I can zoom in. I'm going to go across with that one. They're all the same length, so we did it in half. Go back, come straight down, go up with that one. Now, go across with that one, across that tip. And go straight back and go up behind the tip, like that. And then we're going to come down with that one. Now, that's what you've got right there. That way on the back. And then I'm going to do a little curve there. And I found some square wire. And boy, I don't think it can work hard and just laying in a drawer, but maybe it's because it's square. Or maybe it's because my arm's messed up. I had difficulty with it earlier. So I just did a curl, took it up and put it around the one that I had coming up behind the point. Alright, now we'll take this one, take it and do a curl. And we're going to take it down the side. And go right here. Oh, and if y'all watch any of my watercolor, I might have it on another channel. I'm in the process of moving it. It'll be a useful life art. I just figured that not everybody wants to see my painting. And not everybody wants to see my wire work, so if you want to see both, subscribe to both channels, because I think that I should have kept it separate to begin with, but I had did a poll on it, and I had some that said that I ought to separate it, so I'm like, probably need to. So I just made a curl down there at the bottom, and I'm going to take it up the side here. Put that one out of the way. Take it up here and wrap it around that. Oops, I pulled it. Didn't want to pull it, but I pulled it. Now I gotta get it worked back down. And it's easy to do. So you sort of misshape your curl down here, but you can work on it and get it close to what you had to begin with. There. Now, I want to try to make a double bell up here if I can. Put that together, and I'll have enough hopefully to come back down this side, because I cut way too long a wire. My paintbrush. Yeah, I figured that jewelry and painting, probably there's people that don't do both. And we probably will have another channel later. Go back around that again. And put a little curl here. And take it back here and get rid of it. So I just put a little curl there. And I'm going to take it back here. Move those up. Wrap it around. Well, if I can get it to cooperate, I will. Just put that little curl there. Now, I'm going to take this. Do I want to go across it? Yeah. And hold that while I go across it. I must be dehydrated. We're going to double this wire here and just do a swirl up here. Then we're going to take it down the side. Take it around the back of that one. Get it as tight as I can with my hand and then mash it flat there. So now we've got that. Now, bring it up. Let's see, do I want to go? I think I want to go this way. Make a little curl here. We'll bring it down like that. Find my, there. Cut them off about right there. Now I'll see if I want to do anything with that other wire. Try to line them up so you can't see where you mash them together. Now, it just looks empty here. How about like that? Go through there. What do you think? I like that. I know it covers the stone, but it just looked empty over here, and I needed something there. Enough to make a pair of earrings. Probably have another couple pieces laying here. Okay, y'all, that is our polychrome jasper. Hope y'all like that, and it took me a little bit to get back in the groove. But thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end. I really appreciate it. Helps me out. Liking and subscribing really helps me out. Until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.